So we're gonna go roll counter number 5 comes from a right front kick. So I'm gonna fighting stance. I already did my right shoulder roll. I came up. I'm facing Marley. When she throws her right front kick, it's gonna come right there. I gotta step off the line 45 degrees and hit that downward strike, and her foot's gonna drop. Okay, so when she comes to kick, I go here, and then her foot's gonna drop. So before her foot drops, I'm gonna turn my body to underhook it. At the same time, I palm to the face. Okay, so as she kicks, I'm gonna block, catch, and I palm to the face. Once I palm to the face, I raise that arm. I'm gonna drop the elbow to the thigh, and then I slap the chest, thumb down. Same time I slap the chest, watch my foot on my left foot behind me. I'm gonna foot sweep like that behind her Achilles tendon. Okay? So again, I hit my right shoulder roll. I came up, I go downward strike, palm to the head, elbow to the thigh, and I sweep, and she goes down. From here, I go left knee on the belly, left hand hammer fist to the groin, back fist to the groin, shoot the leg off. I slide in to go right knee, and I finish with strikes. Okay, up, I'll give you another angle. So she's kicking from here. I hit my right shoulder roll, I came up, she kicks. Downward strike, I hook it. Palm to the face, elbow, I slap, thumb down to the chest. My foot comes up, so I sweep. She goes down, I go left knee on the belly, I'm still holding the leg. Hammer fist, back fist, throw the leg, and I slide in right knee to finish with strikes to the head. Check your back. Roll counter 5. Okay, let's try that. Ready? So I'm going here, downward strike, underhook palm, elbow. So when she threw that right front kick, I go behind her, palm to the face, elbow, and my sweep was this way. Now that she's throwing a left round kick, it's the same step. So you want to be able to learn to block both sides, but for now, we're going to have her switch her angle so I can step to the same side. So when she throws a left round kick, now I block on the inside. It's important when you block, even though I'm going downward strike, that this hand is up. Because Marley's got a high kick, and if she fakes low and goes high, here, boom, I'm going to get knocked out. So this hand has to be up, okay? So she kicks, I go here, I catch it, there's the palm, there's the elbow. Now from here, I'm going to grab the shoulder, I have a left knee to the solar plex, and then I step behind the leg to sweep, okay? As she goes down, she does jiu-jitsu, so I don't want to get caught in her guard. So my left hand is going to go underneath, and as I pass to the side, I'm going to step in for my horse stance. Okay, so now she cannot go back to her guard retention. So now I have all my strikes that I can hit to finish. Okay, from the other side. So she throws a left round kick from forward. There goes downward strike with the hand up. Shift from forward stance to a forward stance. There's a palm. That keeps her away from me. Elbow. Grab the shoulder. Left knee. I'm going to step behind the sweep. As she goes down, I use this hand. It goes underneath the arm. See that? So I pass to a horse stance. And now I have this whole body to work with. All my strikes to finish. Okay? Up.